Life channel. Today, let's see how to make yummy mushroom masala. Ingredients needed: keep all the ingredients ready. Process 1. For dry roasting, we need coriander seeds, 3 dried chillies, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom. As we are going to dry roast, no need to pour oil. Just heat a pan, put the coriander seeds, roast it for few seconds. Put the dry chilies, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Roast all the ingredients for few seconds till you get a nice aroma. Then cool down and roast into fine powder like this. Process 2. Wet grind masala. For this we need onion, tomato, cashews, ginger garlic paste, heat the pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add the onions. Saute the onion till it becomes translucent. Add the ginger garlic paste, tomatoes. Cook it for some time. Add the cashews. Let it cook for about 1 minute. Cool down and grind to fine paste like this. Process 3. We are going to sort the ingredients. For this we need onions, capsicum. Cut the onions and capsicum in diced shape. Soak the mushroom in water and turmeric powder. Heat the pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add the onions. Add the capsicum and the mushrooms. Saute it for about 2 minutes. Till all the water gets evaporated. Transfer it to a plate and keep aside. For final process, salt as required, chili powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Heat the pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Now add the wet masala. Add the dry roast powder. Add turmeric powder and chili powder. Add the salt. Now let the masala cook for 2 minutes. Add some water. Bring it to this consistency. Now add the ingredients which we have sorted. Mix it well. Let it sit for about 3 minutes. Keep the flame very low. Close the pan. Finally, mushroom masala is ready. Add some coriander leaves for good flavor. Now it's ready to serve. This goes well with for chapati, biryani and any fried rice.